Hi friends, good morning. Today is the 30th of December, last 2 days of the year, and I'm just making some coffee. Here's my Keurig machine, and today gonna try some pumpkin spiced Starbucks coffee. I like this a lot, and as always I forget to take out the previous coffee pod. So I just drink about 1 cup a day, and the rest is all chai, green tea or normal tea. I think I feel like my Harley Davidson mug today. Let's do that. Just waiting for the water to heat up. So basically tomorrow's my son's 17th birthday, and Karishma and he are out now just practicing his driving, because I don't know how it's happened, but tomorrow on his birthday at 2 p.m. he has the DMV driver's test. So if he passes that test, he'll get his Pakka license, so to say. So it's quite exciting for us having our son with his Pakka license and permanent license. It gives him some identity. We've got him his own bank account, we've got him his credit card, we've got him his debit card, we've got him his license. So I think he's on track to being an adult, which makes us very emotional. So he's still our baby no matter what age. So anyways, 21 is the official drinking age, so he's too young for that part, which is a good thing. Coffee is heating up. So this is how the Keurig machine looks, guys. And you know, that's how it is. I was gonna have some whey protein, but then I didn't really work out today, so I said let's do the coffee instead. Getting a big cup, so here we go. Harley Davidson, fill her up. So still can't believe we have a son who's 17 years old. I mean, he's taller than me, or little taller than me. And Karishma looks like his friend or classmate. I mean, she doesn't look like a mom who has a 17-year-old son. I still remember 17 years ago, we were in Breach Candy Hospital in Mumbai, and anxious because Karishma was due on 30th or 31st or 1st, we weren't sure when it would happen, but he was born 31st late evening actually. So all New Year's parties that the doctors and nurses had planned got cancelled because of Darren being born. In fact, the doctor that delivered Darren is the same doctor that delivered me, Dr. Niranjan Joshi, Parel. He used to be located in Parel and worked in Breach Candy. So Dr. Niranjan had delivered me when I was born and my son when he was born. Just amazing, right? That the same doctor delivered me and my son. Ivanka was a different doctor because she was born in the US, so hers was in Louisville, Kentucky. But I thought I'll share that with you guys. The coffee's smelling good. This pumpkin spiced latte is very popular in the USA. I don't know about other countries, but in fall and winter the pumpkin spice latte is very, very popular. It's a little on the sweeter, mild side, but it gives you that pumpkin flavor which makes you feel very, you know, that fall winter feeling. So yeah, coming back to Darren's 17th birthday, he's going to be driving. We are not buying him any cars, so don't even ask that in the comments, because we have 2 cars which are heavily underutilized because of the virus. Both cars are just showpieces, and we drive a little bit as needed, but with Corona the whole cars and bikes have been a waste. Actually, we could have managed without any of them, used our cycles and the Uber if we need to. So Darren will use either the Jeep or the Mercedes. I think mostly Mercedes. It's just more easier to drive for him. The Jeep is still needing a little more practice for him, I think. But yeah, they are out practicing, and I thought let's start the video for the day. So, you know, couple of things. One is that he's in the 12th, so next July, August, he'll be starting college. He probably wants to do finance and business management. HR also is a line he may think about. So we're not sure yet. We're just happy that he wants to go to college, because nowadays kids want to be entrepreneurs and work and do their own thing after 12th or after graduation. So I'm at least happy that Darren wants to continue his education and keep going, and he will want to even do an MBA, I guess, but I don't want to decide for him. It's up to him. It's his decision. He's an adult, at least as far as deciding all this. He's working. He's working at the age of 17, which is amazing as well. So it's just a sales job, nothing I mean that way, but he's enjoying it and he goes to work. So yeah, life is gonna be different having an adult son in the house. And when you live in America, kids want to be very independent. So in 1-2 years he'll have enough money to go and live on his own. He'll want to live and get his own house, and that'll be a very, very emotional moment for us. Even when he goes to college, if he's living somewhere else, it's tough on us. We are very attached to our kids. I don't think I've spent a day without my kids in the past 5 years. Maybe one day here or there, but the past 5 years in the US, we've been just stuck to our kids day and night. I don't think they like it, but Karishma and I love it. This is an artist sketch we did of Karishma, Darren and me, and this was in 05, okay? So this was Darren about 15 years ago when he was 2 years old, and looks pretty cute over here. It's a nice black and white sketch. And our Goa poster, because our favorite holiday destination, even Darren's, is Goa. In fact, we took him to Goa when he was like a baby, you know, younger than this too. We had taken him to Goa and he loved the beach. Ivanka wasn't born yet. So we are total beach family. We don't like the hills as much. We just love the beach. So this is another great pic of Darren. And on our passageway too, some more memories and pictures of the birthday boy. This was Independence Day. He was with his flag on, Indian flag. So as you know, Darren is Indian and Ivanka is American. I guess you guys know the trend of today's video because it's all about Darren's birthday. And Darren is a black belt in Taekwondo. This picture is him on the fridge here with the sword and in his brown belt. Actually, I'll make a separate video on his black belt experience. He got his black belt at a very young age of, so Darren got his black belt when he was 8 years old, I guess. And that was in Louisville, Kentucky. He had gone for classes every day for 2 years. So he's the only black belt in our Woodman family, I think, in any martial arts or any sport. So that's a great achievement, and at the age of 8 he was a black belt and still is a black belt. I'll share another video about that experience separately where Karishma and I can talk about it. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Actually, please hit the like button for Darren turning 17 tomorrow. It's his birthday tomorrow. So every Christmas and every New Year's Eve, basically, he celebrates his birthday where the whole world is celebrating his birthday with him. Please hit the like button for Darren, and hopefully next year maybe I'll try and get him to come more on the vlogs. He absolutely doesn't want to be on the videos. He's a very private guy. He has a lot of friends, a lot of fun in life, plays sports, goes to the gym, but he's not big into the camera facing part of YouTube. So I don't force him at all, but tomorrow wish him all the best for his license and driver's test, and if he flunks the test, then after 2 weeks he can apply again for the road test. He's already done the written test. So please give a like and comment and wish Darren a very happy birthday from all my subscribers out there. It's going to be an emotional day for Karishma and me. Technically, our son will be an adult tomorrow, 17, the driving age in the US. So 17 is a big step for the kids out here. Okay guys, hope you like this video. Please have a wonderful New Year's celebration. Have a wonderful 2021 from all of us, Karishma, me, Darren and Ivanka. Love you guys. Thanks. Take care. Bye.